In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users to Zoho CRM, providing step-by-step guidance to help make the process as seamless as possible. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a bit of a refresher, this video will guide you through every step needed to add new users to your CRM system effectively. So let's get started. First, you want to log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in your dashboard, navigate to the top right corner where you'll see a small icon or menu. This is the Setup icon. Go ahead and click on Setup. This is your starting point to access all the important settings and configurations within Zoho. After clicking on Setup, you'll see a sidebar on the left-hand side of the page. In this sidebar, locate the Users and Control section. Here, click on Users. This is the section where you can manage all the users within your Zoho CRM account, so you'll want to become familiar with it. Once in the Users section, you should find an option labeled New User. This is what you'll click on to begin the process of adding a new user. Go ahead and click New User. You will see a form appear where you'll be able to input the details of the new user you're adding to your system. Begin by clicking on First Name. Enter the first name of the person you're looking to add. Next, move on to Last Name and fill this in accordingly. This ensures that each user is properly identified within your CRM, preventing any possible mix-ups or errors down the line. Following that, click on Email. This field is crucial as the email is used for login and communication purposes within your organization. Be sure to double-check that you have entered the correct email address before proceeding. Now, we'll select the role for this user. Click on the Role field. The role determines the level of access the user will have within the CRM. You can choose from various roles, so select the one that aligns best with this user's responsibilities within your organization. After selecting the role, it's time to choose a profile. Click on the Profile field. Here, you specify what actions the user can take within the CRM. Profiles are different from roles in that they provide more granular control over user permissions, allowing you to customize what each user can view or edit. Finally, after filling in all required fields and selections, review the information thoroughly. Once everything looks accurate, click on Save to finalize and add the new user to your Zoho CRM. Saving commits all your entries, adding the user to your roster, and granting them access according to the defined role and profile settings. With that, you have successfully added a new user to Zoho CRM. If you have any other users to add, simply repeat these steps for each new person. Thank you for following along, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.